Hello viewers, today in this video let us see another tool for service virtualization and for creating mock responses. The name of the tool is Traffic Parrot. So this is the official blog for Traffic Parrot and it is from release in the year 2016. So you can download this file from here, that is download Traffic Parrot, and you need to input your email ID. From that email ID you will get one link. From that link you can get this setup for this file. So there are already some installations and demo using Traffic Parrot, and you can get to know what is this Traffic Parrot and why it is used for service virtualization and for DevOps, for agile testing, and many. So I have already a setup for Traffic Parrot for my system. So this is it. So I have extracted it, and in this video I will show you how you can capture those responses, and you can mock it, and you can change the responses on the fly. So this is the folder where you have all the files. So in this you need to search for this file, that is the window command script, that is start.cmd. just you have to invoke this and it will initiate all the releases, and it will set the memories, and it will initiate your Traffic Parrot, and it will take some time, and it's saying that GUI is started, and you can access the GUI over localhost 8080. so it's saying that Parrot GUI has started on HTTP localhost 8080. so let us go to browser and type localhost 8080 for Traffic Parrot. So this is the page. Now this is a community edition which I have installed. So if you want to download the full version, you have to pay for some price, and you can get this. So that gets closed for some time. So this is the Traffic Parrot UI where you can start the recording as well as stop the recording, and you have many options here. You can add or edit. You can make a pass through. You have to see the logs and all. You have the JMS settings here, and this is the home, and it's saying that HTTPS virtual service is running on host 8081. so another service, when you start recording, you can see what all changes you have done over this localhost, that is 8081, and you have this settings here. So current configuration is all this, so you can change this configurations as your choice. And this is the help center. If you want any help, you can go over here. So time being will record some traffic here. So I have already created, so I will just delete it. So first I have one website, that is my own website, thecompletenotes.com. so this is the original website which is being hosted from site. So this is my entire website. So I'll record this website and change the parameters. So for that, first I will copy this and I will paste the URL here, and now I will click on start recording. So recording has started for this particular site, and you can see the recorder running on this side. So just copy this and just paste it over here, and you can see the recording site. So this is the recording site for this. Yeah, so this is the recording site for my website. Now I will change some parameters, and you can see the mappings here. So this mappings, when you click on this, you can see the response body which it has been captured. So I will do some activities. So I will go to Nodes Warehouse, and I will do some browsing. So I will go to contact here, and I will go here and then click on syllabus, and then I'll do some activities, and then question papers, do some activities. Yeah, and now if I go here and just click this edit button, I can see all the responses. So now here I will do some changes. So this changes will be like now in this one text says that right here. Get all the subject knowledge and prepare yourself for the tomorrow. Download the notes in PDF format and gear for scoring. So now this I will be changing this. So now I will be removing these many part till yourself for the tomorrow. Now in the UI, that's for the 8081, you need to see only this much. So this is the modified response we are sending, and I will click on save, and it's saved. Now when you go here, that is your this website. It is when I go to home, when I refresh it, that was the original one. So let's go again in 8081 and just paste it, and when it opens up, you can see get all the subject knowledge and prepare yourself for the tomorrow. This is the modified one, but the original one is this much. And you can do many more in this. So you can see all the mappings here. It will say that it's being, like, you can search for the URL, you can keep for regex path equal to matches for regex, anything you can add, any faulty responses there, you can filter out that also with this tool. So once you have done your activity, you can stop recording, and it's saying that recording has stopped. And so you can see in the command prompt also the relevant information is being reflected. So that's all about this open source tool of Traffic Parrot. That's it. Thank you.